It's What the Truck Wednesday, and we've got some new merch.
Yes.
And
awesome
we've got
merch, by the way.
Viewers rides.
Always popular.
Tom likes to say viewers rigs.
Yes. Let's just jump right in and check them out.
Yeah, so we're going to start off with Matt Perkins. If you haven't been watching our videos, me and Tom said, hey, send us some pictures of your ride. We're going to pick our favorite person we pick. It's going to get some merch.
Mm-hmm.
Easy. So just keep sending them to us. We'll keep doing this if people...
Are we doing this every week or every month? What's the deal?
Right now, we're doing it every week.
For now, we're doing it every week.
Yeah.
Okay. As long as there's submissions.
Yeah, get this. There's got to be at least 5 submissions.
Okay, I was going to say, if there's only one, you're guaranteed to win, but
Yeah,
there's got to be 5 submissions, and we'll just save it until we have enough.
that's right.
Okay, good.
So Matt Perkins, Nissan Xterra. I really like this Xterra.
I do. It's a first-gen Xterra. It's got the kind of old-school Jackman type rims on there.
Those are American racing wheels. I should have zoomed in on the original.
They do look like they say American Racing, Russell.
Actually, we're going to zoom in.
Is that an original color, you think?
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Even when everybody, that was like, the American racing wheels was like the go-to because they had decent looking wheels and they were cheap.
Yeah.
Get them out the Jake's catalog. I like that this isn't like much more than just a stock Xterra. It's got tires and wheels on it, and it looks like it's ready to rip.
Yeah, it's just ready to go out there and take on any challenge.
Yeah, so staying with Matt Perkins. Matt Perkins sent the most photos in, everybody. So if we were doing a contest for most photos sent in, Matt Perkins would be it.
He is a Nissan diehard enthusiast.
Now, I don't think Nissan made campers pop-ups, but judging by all the photos he sent, I'd be willing to bet that's got some kind of Nissan part on it somewhere.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, he's got the Church of Nissan right across the street there.
That's right. That's right. Let's see here. White Xterra. I was noticing this. You see the little LED lights in the grill?
Yeah.
I've never seen that before.
The little intimidation factor.
Yeah, kind of wink at somebody going down the road, blind them to death. And then there's another Nissan here, and I'm not sure what that is. Do you know what that is? Probably a Nissan. Matt, you got to tell us what all these cars are. And then presumably Matt and his wife, I'm assuming, new Pathfinder. Love the new Pathfinder.
What if Matt's a Nissan salesman and that's a making a sale?
Matt wouldn't do that to us. I know better.
You never know.
You gotta, man. I mean, it's clear by the pictures though that Matt.
There's Nissans in the background too.
Yeah, well, I mean, they probably got it at the dealer. That's probably at the dealership when they picked it up.
That's probably the other side of his house. He's got all these Nissans.
That's the yard. All right. Jumping into, I didn't get a name on this one. It said Gigi's Garage in the email or the name. That's what it said. So, Gigi, whoever you are.
He's got those black rims, kind of beadlock effect. Some Mickey Thompson tires on there, brand new. Got his takeoffs in the back.
Spent some money on those. I really like this truck. I think it's super clean. I like the setup. It's got a mild lift on it with some aggressive tires. Nothing too crazy. That's how it should be.
I think so. That's the way I like them anyway.
Yeah.
I'm not going to force my opinion on anybody though, but yeah, I do like that. Nice, clean, simple.
And then you got the
built.
The passenger car in the reflection there, guys. Do you see that? That's art.
That's yeah.
That's how you do it.
That's subliminal.
Nissan Frontier slammed.
Washington plate on it. Okay.
Also,
person.
Also, Gigi's Garage.
Okay.
I'm assuming this is definitely the Home Depot parking lot. Actually, it's Walmart. I can see the thing right there, but Home Depot, as far as I'm concerned, picking up some lumber in that over here. Still Gigi's Garage. D21. You can't.
Another one. Wow.
What is it with you guys and the rooftop LED bars? I don't like them personally. I think if you have it, you got to have a rack, something to kind of conceal it, make it look like it belongs there. Not to dig on your truck. Maybe you have it there for a reason. Maybe you live out in the woods and.
Maybe he's working on it. Maybe he's getting there.
Yeah. Got the LEDs on the front.
Brush guard.
Chrome brush guard. Yeah. Good looking truck. Gigi's Garage. Frontier, first gen. I always liked the first gen Frontier's logo on the door. It was like that. It kind of had that splashy look like the decals on the D21 did. I don't know. I couldn't imagine it on something now. I think it looked awful, but to be on period correct, yeah.
I kind of like it. We've got one of those Frontier badges or stickers on our fridge.
Yeah. Gigi's Garage, once again.
This is before he put on the LEDs on his roof.
Yeah.
If that's the same truck.
I think it is the same. No, it looks like it's got a black brush guard on it. Yeah, it does. So I think this is a different truck.
Sure. Okay.
I thought this was an S10 when I first went past it, and I realized why, because this thing has got a body kit on it. It's got the rear valances, side skirts, and front air dam, and that was like the big S10 thing.
Yeah, back like late 80s.
Yeah. So this is, I'd like to know some more about this truck. I think, once again, I don't think I'd rock the chrome fender trim. That's old school, though. People,
Maybe he's going for that retro look.
Tell us, Gigi. All right, this is Louisiana.
So all those vehicles so far are just the submissions of 2 people?
Yes.
Wow. This one might look familiar to everybody.
Yeah, Louisiana John.
Mm-hmm.
He went back and forth with Tom a little bit, and he took off the center pillar tape, which is the blackout tape there. It just kind of ties in the 2 windows and makes it all look, nice and clean. But this isn't bad.
No, I like it.
Yeah, I mean, I would have thought, I was telling Tom, I would have thought it would have been really awkward looking, and it's not. I want to know what you guys think. Would you take that tape off or leave it?
I would take it off just to be different.
Yeah. Derek Gallant. D21. Got a blacked out grill, aftermarket headlights.
LED headlights, I think.
Yeah, camper shell.
The bed is a different color from the cab.
Yeah. What's the story?
Story there, yeah.
What's the story, Derek? What happened? Who did this to you?
I do like how it's like the front end is original. It's got the decal on the side, that kind of glittery decal.
You know what license plate that is? Maybe Connecticut? Maybe? I'm just looking at the length. Where is he? It's too fuzzy.
I cannot tell.
All right. Next. Blue Cav, another one we didn't have a name on. That was about it. Out snow photos.
Yeah. First gen, icicles.
Can't go wrong.
Mud.
Yeah, that's the one thing.
Did I not see this one last week?
No. Okay. So one thing I will notice, and you wasn't hiding this from me, is the hitch. Number one, the hitch has got a step on it.
Mm-hmm.
We like our steps around here. And also, there ain't no ball and tongue in that hitch. There's a hook so it can dig 4Runners out of the ditch.
Mm-hmm.
Heard that, Toyota boys?
And he's got some Steelies on there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, I like it. It's once again, it's simple. That's the whole thing about Xterra, right?
Yep.
Throw some tires on it.
Doesn't need all that extra stuff. It's good to go.
Yeah. Yeah. So me and Tom both agree on the winner, the clear winner, and I think it really comes down to unique.
Yeah.
Maybe something we haven't seen.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think there was a vehicle in there I didn't like.
No,
that I didn't want to pick. So we're going to go with the Lowrider Frontier. I don't know that I've ever seen a slam Frontier in person.
Not that body style. I have not.
Yeah. So.
And that's what we said when we saw it. So that's different. You don't see that every day.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
I mean, I think the wheels work. I don't, time period correct, maybe not, but they work. They're fine. Got a big old tack on the dash, and the wheels and the tack go together.
Yeah.
That's a drag truck. We want to know more about this truck, Gigi's Garage. And where are you at in Washington? Are you local?
And is it your truck, or is it one you saw in the parking lot? 'Cause that's an awful lot of photos.
Yeah. I mean, I know some people love their Nissans, can't get enough. So reach out to us, GGs. Hit Tom up in the email and tell us what you want.
Yeah, I'll hook you up.
We've got some hats. We're going to send you some of these new decals we're about to talk about. So you guys probably call it the Mount Rainier shirts we announced a while back. We got some decals made. These are about 4 inches, I believe, die cut. These are really nice. This one has it's like an aluminum kind of foil decal I really like this one a lot. If you want something that sort of stands out a little bit, if you want something that's a little bit more tamed down, go with the cream, the root beer float. That's the colors.
And you mentioned this is the topographical map of Mount Rainier.
Yep.
And it's got the geolocations on there, elevation.
Yep.
And our website.
That's right.
Cool.
Just so you know.
My personal favorite, though?
Boom. There you go, guys.
Just another 4-incher?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my favorite. This will go good in your back window, your toolbox.
Yeah. These are listed on the website right now. I'll put a link in the description. Now, I will tell you, we are selling these. So we'd love it if you buy it. But if you place a big enough order, you order some suspension parts, Nismo stuff from us, you buy a bunch of accessories, we're going to probably send you some decals for free. That's just what we do.
Oh, yeah.
So, but if you want to buy some, don't need to order any parts, snag it. We'd love to see a picture of it on your truck or your toolbox or
wherever it may be.
We need the truck media. We need the content.
You know, whenever we get an order from somebody overseas, I always put it in a little mini sticker pack.
Right.
Because I'm hoping that somebody in some country far off is going to hashtag us on their Instagram or their Facebook or whatever, so we can see our merch in
Indonesia,
Germany, France, Italy, wherever we ship to.
Yeah.
Hasn't happened yet, but I've only been doing that for 2-3 years.
Yeah.
So
before we go, we want to say thank you to everybody who is new here, subscribing to the channel. Tom brought in a little special note to let me know that what our subscriber count is right now, which I knew. I only know it because I have a 15-year-old who watches the stats all day, every day.
Now, we didn't even get a chance to talk about when we hit 20,000.
No, we didn't.
So, yeah, now we're sitting right at 32,000. Look at this fancy sign I made.
I'm just going to throw it out there. When we hit 50, we'll do something
big.
We're going to wait till 50, though. It's just,
huge.
I don't know.
Well,
we'll probably die. We won't move past 32.
Well, you never know. How about being positive?
I am positive.
Good Lord.
I am. All right, guys. Thank you for checking out the channel. Subscribe. Join 32,000 strong in watching.
That's a movement now.
It is.
It's a Nissan Parts. What used to be the fam, now it's a movement.
Yeah.
We're taking it to the streets.
Yeah.
Come back on Friday. What are we doing on Friday?
I haven't quite decided yet. We will have a video. I am wrapping up the Nismo Z video.
That thing's going to be epic.
I hope so. I've looked at it so many times and gone through it that I'm just like, I hate it.
You don't even see it anymore.
I hate it now. So I'm excited to put it out there for you guys, see what y'all think, because I have spent a lot of time on it. But yeah, maybe we'll do a live.
All right.
What do you think?
We'll keep them in suspense. Thanks for hanging out. I'm Tom. This is Russell. And come back and see us on Friday.
Thank you, guys.